Hello guys, this is Dominic and welcome to the Mask Daily. Today I'm gonna introduce you the mask making machine. You know, in the date of January 24, some clients from Vietnam asked me for some mask making machine, so I called them, called the province, which is the mask making machine factories in Guangdong province, especially in Dongguan, and some of them in Zhejiang province, especially in Wenzhou city. So I asked them, the price for that time is cheap. It's about 20,000 every machine. You know, for now the price of the mask making machine is about how do you say, about 60,000, I guess, and the ETB will be 6 months at least. That's crazy. You know, a lot of factory produce the masks in China, especially in this. I know some friend of mine opened a new factory, mask making factory in Anhui province, and you know, in that city, the city named Tianshan, and in that city about 70% masks are making by that city for all of the Anhui province. So they opened a new factory to make the masks, and the government showed the green light so they can do that all of the things smoothly. And in this place, in Zhejiang province, you know, the Zhejiang province, a lot of workers from all over China go to the Zhejiang province for work, and a lot of workers go back very early, and after 14 days being isolated at home, and then they can go back for work, but only for the mask making or making mask. These two kind of job you can go back. Until now, they cannot go back to work. Until now. So I guess the coronavirus is is not easy to fight. So in this part, there's a new mask making. What we're talking about, the machine, the mask is the flat one, just like I'm wearing. You see that? It's not the KN95. It's not that. It's a flat eye loop, inner eye loop, flat mask is this name called the medical and surgical. And in this province, in Guangdong province, especially in the city of Dongguan, there's a new machine, a flat mask machine has been made out. It can produce about 1,000 masks per minute. It's very fast. But the package machine haven't been found out. You know, you can produce a mask very fast, but you still need people to collect that and package that. So for now, all of China, especially in the south, this place make mask. This place make mask. And this Jiangsu province also. My hometown is Jiangsu. This place a lot of new factory. The new factory means the government shows the green light, so they can get the new factory very fast, and they can produce a lot of masks. And even today, so you know what I'm doing is help people to search masks, the sourcing masks all over China, especially in this place. See this place, and you know, today not too many. It's about 30. Last day the masks we all sent to South Korea and Japan. And today a lot of clients want that, but sorry, already booked. Tomorrow I will keep searching that, and when we will update the numbers on the news page. Yeah, please focus on that. Thank you.